One of the most important aspects of whiskey, I believe, is the maturation aspect. In order to put most emphasis on the interactive reactions that happen inside a cask, interactive reactions based on that we have created during fermentation, you need time. And if you put something into a hot and dry environment, not only is it going to extract a lot of flavor from the cask, and thus shortening the interactive maturation aspect, but also you lose a lot to the environment. Here in Norway, it's a little bit more extreme than Scotland, in the sense that it is humid and is always cold. Thus, what is going to happen to a Scotch-style whiskey within a warehouse like this? And not only that, it's just beautiful here. It has an amazing equipment, and that warehouse there's no better home for one of our casks, I would suppose.